I'm the Crafty Magnolia, and I'd like to invite you to April's Flower of the Month Challenge, April 7th at 3 p.m. EST. The rules are simple. Please just add hashtag FOTM or hashtag Flower of the Month Challenge in your title and in your description box. Please also add a link to the Crafty Magnolia and to Tutu's, and please be subscribed to both of our channels. Please include a link to the playlist so that we can enjoy everyone's creations. The link will be there for you when the playlist is open. Also, this month's flowers of the month for April are the Daisies or the Sweet Peas. So you can use both or either one for any craft that you'd like to make. And I mean anything. Set a beautiful table, make a craft, a DIY, a wreath, whatever your heart desires. Just use this beautiful flower of spring. And I wanted to let you know that our co-host for April is Angie from Tutu's Krafty Kreations. So y'all come join us for this great and fun time. April 7th at, see there, add a link to the, I'm Deanna Mulso. Please include a link to the playlist so that we can all enjoy everyone's gorgeous Daisy or please can Tutu. Say hi, Mojo.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.